Hello, I'm Leo. We're here at Manifest Las Vegas. I'm here with Hayden from Corvus Robotics. So Hayden, what do you do at Corvus Robotics?
Yeah, so I work on the sales team. So I'm working out in the field trying to generate new business for our customers.
And Hayden, what is your main objective coming here at Manifest?
Yeah, in general, we launched a new cold chain technology, so we're able to operate down to minus 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So obviously here in the cold chain pavilion, we wanted to really amplify that message out there. Also just a good opportunity to show a cool demo and get people a little bit more familiar and comfortable with drones and autonomy.
How is it new from the technology we've had before? Is it more efficient? Is it more automated? How does it work? What makes it different?
Yeah. So there's a lot to it, obviously, right? So the big thing here, the kind of engineering marvel, is that it is fully autonomous. We're doing this without any sort of stickering, beacons, Wi-Fi network, all that kind of stuff. It's using vision to navigate off the racks and know exactly where it is. A lot of this has really come to fruition over the past few years as technology, AI has kind of made advancements. We've been able to package that down into this small drone-sized thing that is truly embodied AI.
And if I may ask, how much does a drone like this cost?
That really depends. There's several factors. It's all about whether we're in cold or ambient, how big your warehouse is, and how frequently you want to scan it. So there's a lot of factors that go into that piece.
And Hayden, if you could manifest something that would happen a few years from now, what would you manifest here right now at Manifest Las Vegas 2026?
Yeah, that's a big one. Speaking on behalf of myself, I would say I would love to see obviously our company continue to grow and take over more of the warehouse, not just focus on what we're doing in the racking, but take over all of the moves and tracking that.
That sounds great. You were at Manifest Las Vegas 2026. Thank you, Hayden, for your time, and thank you for our global supply chain community for watching us.